Are you bullish on Cardano, on ADA? Let's talk about it right here in this video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some Cardano and the potential for that ADA breakout we're all waiting for. All right, so let's get down into it. As always, guys, make sure you subscribe down below. Welcome to the channel if you're new. We appreciate you guys being part of the Crypto Mark team. We talk Cardano every single day, so welcome in. Let's get down into it. And as always, remember, not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and homework with all things crypto and financial. Okay, these are just my opinions that we talk about here on the channel. But this is why Cardano's bullish breakout territory now is depending on investors. Okay, so if this 25% rally is likely, we shall see. All right, but the support is lying there within the holders. Okay, and we've seen a dominance on the Cardano supply, okay, within a lot of the short-term investors. So what we need to understand is 4% of the circulating ADA has shifted to mid-term holders in the last 4 days alone. So that's kind of a nice little tidbit, little metric when we talk about this graphic down below, all right? Because what we want to see is more people like me, all right? More people that are buying Cardano and holding, okay? A lot of people are looking at Cardano and talking about it like, oh, hey, this is it's a ghost chain. It's going to zero, blah, blah, blah. Well, kind of how we're looking at it, all right? That's how I'm looking at it. They call them hodlers, cruisers, and traders, okay? So that's kind of what we're looking at, these graphics. And this green band right now is where we're looking in this territory. But we've went above it, as earlier in February and March, we went back into that hodler territory, okay? So that's people that have been holding Cardano for a year plus. So more so, the one metric that we look at is the MVRV. We've talked about it a lot on the channel. That's the market value to realized ratio. All right, that's measuring the investor profit loss. So over the last 30 days at a negative 11% number, that is signaling losses, potentially prompting buying. So we've seen recovery for ADA between that -9 and -15% range, and that is the accumulation zone that is evident here on this graphic, indicated by these black lines going sideways. All right. So if we could see Cardano surge in price, that's where we see a lot of this surge reliant upon the Cardano sentiment within these holders, right? This what we've talked about, right? The hodlers, the cruisers, or the traders. So we want to stay right in that band where we look at it. So more so when we talk about this breakout, this surge, this is where we have to look at a very important target. Okay, 66 cents is that target. At 49 cents, we've failed to breach through that descending channel, right? And we've been stuck here trading for 2 weeks. Now, if you look at Cardano, you zoom out, you take a dive into the chart, you can look at whatever chart you want to look at. This is something where we can look at the future, and more so, it's going to be a more of a zoomed out sideways motion, I think, within the chart for quite some time. Okay, we have the bullish, post Bitcoin halving. All right, we have the bullishness surrounding what we're getting for possibly within the political election 2024. All right, but this is where we need to really focus on Cardano and the investor accumulation. That's what we need to propel Cardano. That's what we need for the surge. All right. And if we're going to be bullish, that's what I'm telling you guys. It's depending on you. It's depending on the investors. All right. So that's what it comes down to. We got 47 cents as a support. If we can go down even higher, we are in that descending channel. That's what's going to be important, because we're looking at this breakout phase where we could get above that 60 cents target into that 62 to 66 cents range, right? And that would be the bullish reversal that we all need and cherish, all right? But this descending channel is very bullish, where the price is forming lower highs and lower lows, and that's what's important as we move forward into 2024. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of the chart, a little bit of the TA. Let's try to get more of this number, okay? More of the circulating Cardano into these mid to long-term holders. That'd be very bullish. That's what I'm looking forward into, all right? And that's what we're looking to capitalize on, this bullish descending triangle pattern, okay, even further. So this descending channel pattern, sorry. But thanks for watching. I wanted to share with you guys, like I said, all of these little info graphics, the little tidbits, and the metrics surrounding Cardano as we get further into April and close out the month on a higher note. Okay, so thanks for all for watching. Remember to subscribe down below. Appreciate each and every one of you guys, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.